Hey YouTube, what's going on? Nathan here. Have an unboxing video. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the last video here that I was going to be buying a model. I had bought a model. Kind of wanted it to be a surprise. I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't know. It's kind of screwed up right now. But this is just kind of a quick unboxing because I gotta go back to work. So I noticed that when I came home real fast for some lunch, so open it up. I think I saw Lee Bear. I can't think of his name completely right now. No, not Lee Bear. Link Belt. So I saw this model it's from 3000 Toys. I saw it off of him. Yay! This is something new to me. I haven't seen their collection catalog. That's kind of cool. But it's discontinued. I wanted one, but I didn't want to pay. Come on, I really don't like to pay. Oh, come on. Sorry. Hate that crap. Hate that crap. But here it is. It's the Cat 924G. Pretty nice. I like it. North, I guess, from my understanding, they made a few more of them, and once they're gone, they're gone. But it's discontinued, so I wanted to definitely get my hands. Oh, come on! Definitely get my hands on one. Wow, the lighting's really bad, isn't it? Alright, we gotta do something I don't know what. Maybe we're just gonna have to deal with it for this video. Because the lamp I usually use, the light bulb was burnt out in it, so I was new direction stuff, whatever. So here it is. Very small. Cylinders are pretty strong. Comes with the crane attachment and the forks. Oh shit. I'll do a real quick comparison. This is the Volvo L70C. There they are, side by side. I'll just switch it. I have the plow on, so obviously the Volvo is going to be a tad bigger. But that's okay. They're, I would say, close to the same size. Maybe they're not exactly the same, but they're pretty close. Oh, I'm knocking crap over everywhere. So, there it is. Cost me $40, and shipping was $47 on 3000 Toys, and yeah, I'm really happy I got it, except for This is really loose, you know. That kind of sucks, but whatever. Alright, take it easy, guys. Have a good one. You'll probably see this one go up tonight. So, have a good one. Bye.